大家好，欢迎来到苏敏中文。Hi guys, welcome to Sumin Chinese. When Chinese people are asking you, 你吃了吗？你吃了什么？好吃吗？你的家乡有中国菜吗？ Why always ask me have you eaten yet? Subscribe me and watch my video, you will find the result. Today we will talk about the Chinese sentences structure around Chinese food. You will learn how to use Chinese sentences structure to ask people questions. In China, regional cuisine is how Americans discussing their local professional sport teams. People asking each other about their favorite flavors instead of talking about which bar to meet at. Chinese friends discussing which hot pot or barbecue spot to meeting up at. And Chinese holiday all have their own iconic food. Many business there are made at long banquet-style dinner. Chinese students discussing exam at their favorite local street food stores. Construction workers drink cheap beers and snack on the pellets and barbecue on the stick. How to use ma in Chinese? A traditional greeting, 你吃了吗? Have you eaten yet? Is still spoken today. And you may meet in Chinese people asking you, for example, 你能吃辣吗？你能吃辣吗？你能喝白酒吗？你能喝白酒吗？你尝试过臭豆腐吗？你尝试过臭豆腐吗？你尝试过皮蛋吗？你尝试过皮蛋吗？你会用筷子吗？你会用筷子吗？你的家乡有中国菜吗？你的家乡有中国菜吗？ Try to use 你会、你能 or 你尝试过 to make our sentences in the comments. If you find our video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel. Be sure to click the notification bell so you don't miss out our learning tips.